Hey guys, this is Lucy again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add full screen toggle view in Microsoft Excel. So first you need to go to the File tab, and here at the bottom you will see Options. It will open a new window. Here you need to go to Customize ribbon, and here you will want to select all commands. In this list, search for full screen. So here you will see full screen and select that. So here in home, which is the main tab, here you would want to add new group and rename it with full screen and click on OK. And here click on this full screen that we selected earlier and click on add. Here you will see the full screen settings over here, and now click on OK. You will see the full screen toggle view here in your home tab that you just added, and there you go. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.